How to make a video call on Samsung Smart TV. Samsung Smart TVs don't come with built-in video calling features, but you can use third-party devices and apps to enable video calling on your TV. Here are some methods. Method number 1, using a webcam with Google Duo on supported Samsung TVs. Step number 1, check for Google Duo support. Some newer Samsung Smart TVs have a Google Duo app for video calls. Check if Google Duo is available in your TV apps section. Step number 2, connect compatible webcam. If your Samsung TV supports webcams, connect a compatible USB webcam to the USB port on your TV. Step number 3, install and open Google Duo. Go to Apps on your Samsung TV, search for Google Duo and install it. Open Google Duo and sign in with your Google accounts. Step number 4, make a video call. Use the Google Duo app to select a contact and start a video call. Method number 2, using a video calling device like Facebook Portal TV. Step number 1, purchase a video calling device. Buy a device designed for TV video calls like Facebook Portal TV or Amazon Fire TV Cube, which supports Alexa video calling. Step number 2, connect the device to your Samsung TV. Connect the device to your Samsung TV using an HDMI port. Step number 3, set up the device. Follow the setup instructions provided with the device to connect it to Wi-Fi, sign into your account, and add contacts. Step number 4, make a video call. Use the device's remote or voice control like Alexa to initiate a video call. Method number 3, casting from a mobile device. Step number 1, use a video calling app on your phone or tablet. Open a video calling app like Google Duo, Zoom, or WhatsApp on your mobile device. Step number 2, cast a screen to your Samsung TV. Use screen mirroring, Smart View on Samsung phones or AirPlay on iPhones to mirror the video call to your Samsung TV. Step number 3, start the video call on your mobile device. Begin the call on your phone and it will display on your TV screen. Note that the audio and video may still come from your mobile device.